Today, I am going to test and identify different types of automotive battery. So before we start, let's have the proper PPE first. Okay, so today, fronting of you, we have two types of automotive battery. We have conventional type battery, and also we have deep cycle type battery. And we have here different types of measuring tools. So first, we have conventional type battery. So this battery, you will add distilled water from time to time to avoid battery from sulfating. And we have also here a deep cycle type of battery. This battery designed to regularly deeply discharge using most of its capacity. So to test our conventional type battery, first is we need to have the battery hydrometer tester. And we are going to remove the cap. And after that, we need to suck the battery distilled water from the specific hole of our conventional type battery. And after that, we need to read what is the reading of our battery hydrometer tester. If our battery is need to recharge, fair, or it is good. And after that, bring back the distilled water to the specific hole of your conventional type battery. And place the cap again. Okay, so now let's go into use the battery digital multi-tester. And we need to set our digital multi-tester to 12 volts. And after that, the positive test probe of your multi-tester will be placed to the positive terminal of your battery, and the negative probe of your battery digital multi-tester will be placed to the negative terminal of your battery, and check for that voltage. Okay, so it has 12 volts. And after that, we need to check also the deep cycle type battery. So to check the deep cycle type battery, we need to use a digital multi-tester. So again, set it into 12 volts. And after that, the positive terminal of your negative probe will be placed, and the negative probe of your tester will be placed at the negative terminal of your battery, and check for the voltage. Okay, so after using that, after you use the digital multi-tester, turn it off. Okay, so that's the procedure or the instruction or what are you going to do in order to test the different types of automotive battery.